This is Jason with Dave's Computer Tips with another how-to video for you. This one's how to add audio to PowerPoint. Now I'm using Office 365 PowerPoint. You might be using a little something older, but it should be pretty close to the same. Now, if you're using the online web app, it will not give you all the options I'm going to show you in this. This is the desktop app, which gives you way better options on doing this, adding the audio. So you're only going to be seeing this on the desktop app. So if you're doing the web app, we'll have to do another video for that one. So this is how you add audio to your PowerPoint. So now we want to open the PowerPoint. Now if you already have a PowerPoint, just open that PowerPoint up. I do not have one made right now. I'm just going to open the software. And now that I have the software open, I'm just going to open a blank PowerPoint. And then I'm going to add another screen just because I like to. Let's say a new slide. There you go. Now we want to add audio to it, an audio background. Maybe you need some sound in the background or some music to keep people interested to watch the video. You can do that here. So let me show you how that works. First thing you want to do once you have your PowerPoint open, you're going to go up to the left side next to Home and click on the Insert button option. And then on this ribbon, all these choices, you're going to go to the far right and you're going to click on the audio. Now this is the media section. So you got the video, the audio, the screen recording. Let's do the audio. And you get two options here. They have audio on my PC, so I can pick something from my computer, use that audio file, or I can record something just right now. So if I wanted to do like a narration, this would be a way to do it. So you can go with the slide. But we're not doing that. We're gonna click the audio on my PC. And now that I had a spot opened up because I just did a video on some Jane Fonda stuff, don't ask. And we're gonna click on Disco Heart. And I'm going to say, yes, I want that. I click it, and then I go down to Insert here. I'm going to click Insert into my PowerPoint, and there it is. Now, it always shows it in the middle. I hate that, but you're going to drag it down. I just drag it down here. There, put it right there. Now that's here. Okay, now if you select it, you can preview it, so you can click play, and it will play it for you. I have it muted so you didn't hear anything. But yeah, so that's there. Now, if you don't want this little icon showing up on your PowerPoint, let me show you how this works. So click on it, and then it's going to open this playback options right here on the ribbon. Hide during show, so it won't show it at all. So it will. Now, if you hit play in background, watch what it does. It will select hide it. It will slap play across slides, and it will select loop until stopped and become automatic. Now, if we say no style, we can choose these ourselves. So I want to hide it, and then if you go to this one, it says start. This is when it will start playing. So in click sequence, so if your PowerPoint's going in a click sequence, it will start playing as soon as it's clicked. Or you can hit automatically kicks on, so when the PowerPoint screen pops up, it will start playing automatically, and then you have when clicked on. So I'm going to actually choose in click sequence. I like that better. You can play across all slides, so I like that because I want the music behind every slide. And then you can do a fade in, fade out option, which is cool. I like that. I always like to fade in and fade out. It sounds better. And then you can trim the audio here, and then you can just play it just like you did before. So that's now audio format. Now some of you might be going, well, what's that audio format at the top? Now this is, I find this weird, but we're going to go there anyway. So if you are going to allow it to be seen during your presentation, you can actually give it a frame. See how it changed the framing? And then you can change it to some darkness. So we can do this, or let's go back to the frame. I like that better. And if you do that, you can also change the picture, which is really messed up. You can click the change picture. You can pick a image from your computer. And of course, I have images on my computer I could use. So I'm going to pick an image. I'll show you how it works. So I'm going to go images. I'm going to pick that one right there. That's perfect. Now insert that. See, what happens is now it has a picture inside it. So you can make it bigger, and there you go. Now, when someone comes in here and they click on that, I can hit. So that's kind of where you can give it if you wanted to have the option there all the time during your presentation, you can put a picture so it's more present, looks better on your PowerPoint. So that's how you can add audio to your PowerPoint presentation and give it a little bit of, class, I guess, with all these images, things like that. So the playback options is probably the most important area, especially if you hide it or you don't hide it. But play with it, figure it out. You'll get the hang of it. It takes a little bit of work, but it's pretty straightforward and simple. but that's how you add audio to your PowerPoint. Make sure to check out Davescomputertips.com where all our articles are, and make sure to subscribe to this channel. And thanks for watching.